Welcome to today's recipe, a refreshing, colorful, and healthy pomegranate raita. It's not only delicious but also helps digestion, cools your body, and adds a burst of freshness to any meal. To make this simple and tasty raita, you will need 1 bowl of fresh thick curd. Add a few crushed saffron strands. This gives a gentle golden tint and a royal aroma. Add pepper and cumin powder for flavor and digestion. Add sugar if you prefer a mild sweetness. Then add salt as per taste. And finally mix in 1 full bowl of fresh pomegranate seeds. Mix everything gently until well combined. That's it. Your pomegranate raita is ready to serve. Enjoy it chilled with rice, biryani, chapati or any spicy meal. It's light, cooling and perfect for all seasons. Health tip: pomegranate is rich in antioxidants, while curd improves digestion and gut health. Together they make a powerful and delicious combo.